the seasons. You're taking the time from me, but
Hey my lock loves, I'm going to show you all how I install these micro lock extensions over my client's sister locks. She has 366 sister locks, which we're going to be combining because I want to make sure her hair can support the extensions. So this is going to be a really quick sped up version. Well, this one I'm going to do it slow for you, but if you want a voiceover that explains the process and is very detailed, please check out my previous two videos. This one here, I'm just going to let the music play and then just let you all watch. So if you have any questions, you know to always comment below and I will answer to the best of my abilities. Just some information about her sister locks. She didn't have a retie for, I think, a few months. So you can see a lot of growth here or a lot of slippage. I found it hard to work with putting in over sister locks because the parts that I want to do, I couldn't necessarily force it because her hair was pretty much locked. So what I did was take 2 to 3, sometimes 4 locks and combine them. The amount I chose depending on how dense her part would be. So I wanted a part that would support the weight of the extensions. And so, you know, throughout her head, I did mostly 3, and I would braid them together. Some I did 2, and some I did 4. So, yeah, that's all.
time lately. I'm falling down just for you. Imagine what's like be lost with you and nobody else. You and me. Oh, I can't wait hurt you, baby, baby. Tell me something. Oh, I can't wait love you, baby, baby. Tell me something. You got me time lately. You got me time lately. I'm falling down just for you. Imagine what's like be lost with you and nobody else. You and me. Oh, I can't wait hurt you, baby, baby. Tell me something. Oh, I can't wait love you, baby, baby. Tell me something. You got me time lately. You got me time lately.
Here, I just want to show you all an example of the hair being curled. I had put her hair in these twists because she had to go and we had to finish another day. And look at these curls with no water. This was a dry wrap or twist, whatever. Y'all, imagine if she had water on her hair. Those curls would have been popping.
It's time for the lock count game. Comment below how many locks you think are in her head.
Give me a reason, and I'll pretend I'm in control, just like the sea.